Hey guys, it's Rob. It's been a while since I've made a YouTube video. I switched hobbies about a year ago. Sold all my RC stuff and bought a dirt bike. This is my new workspace for that bike. It's a 8x10 shed that was completely empty before. I put electric in it, air conditioning, heat, insulated. I have internet in here. Yeah, it's a complete workshop. Let me take you around. So here's the bikes. This is my 2023 KTM 250 SXF. We're in the middle of winter right now, so the bike has been completely disassembled. Shocks were sent off to Boss Suspension up in Connecticut. Completely framed the bike, greased up all the linkages, everything, and it's ready to go once we get some good weather in here. This is my son's 2022 KTM 50 SX Mini. Right now, me and him are in the middle of getting his bike ready to go. We just rebuilt the carb and we got some parts and stuff to clean, and then we're ready to go. So up here is parts storage, TV, air conditioning, the vacuum. Everything's labeled to try and keep things organized as much as possible. I notice that if I stay organized, then it becomes a lot easier to work in here. Cleaning for the shop. Some more storage up here. Oil change. This is all my tools. Specialty tools, cut tools, tools for wheels and tires. Hex and Torx. Wrenches, don't have many of them. Sockets, have more of this stuff. Batteries, aerosols, power washer, some more storage, nuts and bolts, and then this is also where I keep small parts when I'm redoing bikes. This is greases and hand cleaners, bike fluids and oils, air compressor, and then the air compressor is in here in a solid, like, enclosed box. Computer, and then we have like manuals and stuff. Also on the computer I have all the manuals too. This is just a MacBook that I have mounted up under here. My Tusk Road, like my track kit, old tire. Yeah, so as you can see, it's not a ton of space, but obviously it's enough to get one bike done at a time. Once I start getting into two bikes, it becomes a little bit much, but yeah, this is the quick shop tour. Who knows, I might be making some videos in the future, hopefully, of riding. I just have to figure out a good way to film from my GoPro, whether it be like a helmet mount or a chest mount, but we'll get that figured out.